everyone. So I'm here to talk about Jeet Ki Zid, which is now streaming on Z5 Premium. Well, the show stars Amit Saad, Amrita Puri, Sushant Singh, and Ali Goni. Basically, it's a real life story on Major Deep Singh Sengar. उनके बारे में ये पूरी कहानी है किस तरह से he has overcome and faced all the challenges and hardships that life has thrown at him. Very beautifully, it's shown in the series, and there are like around 7 episodes और जो कि 30 से 40 मिनट के बीच में है. Speaking of the series, speaking of the story, first of all, it's very inspiring. It just shows you the kind of hardships and the kind of things that our soldiers go through, and it just makes you feel very proud of them. So yes, that is one feeling that definitely resonated with me. Apart from that, everything about this show is so positive, right from the performances, which I want to talk about. First of all, Amrita Puri, who is playing Jaya Sengar, Major Deep's wife in the show, she's so good as Jaya. It's very important in a series like this to also show this kind of a story, to show the families and what they're going through. आई थिंक वो बहुत ही खूबसूरती से दिखाया गया है. आई लाइक हाउ दिस सीरीज इज नॉट जस्ट focusing on Major Deep's struggle and just that. It's a lot of other things as well. You see a bit of romance, you see a bit of comedy. So ये सब चीज़ें भी हैं इस शो में, which makes it a very entertaining watch. So yes, Amrita Puri has definitely done a very good job as Jaya Sengar. Apart from that, there's Ali Goni, who is making his web debut with this one. I have not really seen any of his daily soaps that he's been a part of, but this is the first time I'm seeing him in in acting sort of a vibe. And I really enjoyed his performance. Genuinely, मुझे नहीं लगता था कि वो इतने अच्छे actor हैं. But yes, I think Ali Goni's performance was definitely like a very surprising performance for me. Speaking of surprising performances again, Sushant Singh is here in this series. वो इतने सालों से, I mean, we've seen him in a lot of different roles. इस particular series में he's playing a special forces officer. And dude, he's so ruthless. He's like really strict. There were moments where I was really scared of him. I was like, oh my god, what is he doing? But these are the kind of hardships that Major Deep might have faced, and that is perhaps why we see all of these things that happen. The intensity of things that Sushant Singh also does, it's possibly because of the things that Major Deep underwent. But I think on the contrary, that is why I thoroughly enjoyed his performance. अगर मुझे डर लग रहा है उनकी performance को देख करके, so I think it means that he's very convincing as that particular character as Ranjit Chaudhary. Speaking of course, Mr. Amit Saad, who's here as Major Deep Singh Sengar. Okay, so first of all, I genuinely enjoyed his performance. There are a lot of character phases that you see. Character graph बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें ऊपर नीचे होता हुआ दिखता है, which shows like a variety of emotions that Amit had to sort of emote and show as Major Deep, right from being like this very nice and happy sort of a person to going to a person who's now on a wheelchair and who's just facing a lot of things in his life, and he's mentally shattered, he's angry, and he's just sad about so many things. जो भी उनके आसपास चीज़ें चल रही हैं, and he's portrayed it so freaking well. That is something which I really appreciate and like about him. Two special scenes that I think which like really sort of blew my mind, I should say. One scene was, it's towards the second half, without any spoilers. There's the scene where he's trying to get up from the crutches. That is scene number 1, which was like really hard hitting. Secondly, there's a very emotional sort of a scene where Amit and Ali are having a conversation. That is again towards the second half. और मुझे वो scene बहुत अच्छा लगा. I really liked that scene a lot. It was very real. It did not seem like they're trying very hard to sort of show this. It seemed extremely real. So yes, that's there. Amit's physical transformation is also seen in the series, and it's just, I genuinely don't think anybody else could have played Major Deep Singh Sengar so well apart from him. So yeah, that's that. Now, even though with each passing episode it only gets better, but there is one thing which I felt, जो मुझे लगा कि वो चीज़ हो सकती थी, which was that the edit could have been like a little more crisp. कुछ मतलब थोड़ा और स्पीड अप किया जा सकता था. सेकेंडली अनदर थिंग विच आई फेल्ट वॉज कि जो अली और अमित का आखिरी सीन था, we see them in a, I don't want to give any spoilers, but just basically just scene पे जो उनका आखिरी scene था, I really wanted to see Ali and his family, and because they've really been with Amit and Amrita throughout their entire struggle of facing this. I really wanted to see him also towards the end reacting to everything and just being there for his friend. I think that's just one thing which I was genuinely looking for, but वो नहीं हुई sadly. ये दो चीज़ें थी. I actually do have a special mention. Usually I kind of forward the theme song and everything of any series क्योंकि I'm here to watch the story. But I want to mention Diptarka Bose, who's sung and who's composed the background music and everything, and he sung the theme song जो Zid का theme song है, which is in the beginning. It's really good. It's just stuck in my head, and he's such a good singer, and even after the series was over, I mean, it's still stuck in my head. So that is again one thing. Basically, I just want to wrap up by saying ki watching Zid is just going to give you a very feel good sort of a feeling, and you will be very happy seeing it. You will be proud, and you will genuinely enjoy all the performances because they don't seem fake, they seem very real. So for all of these reasons, I think you should watch Jeet Ki Zid on ZEE5 Premium. I would recommend it definitely. And yeah, I hope you do let me know what you think about this show, because this is what genuinely and very honestly I felt about the series. So yeah, thank you. I hope you feel the same and I hope you like it.